when I first started, everybody was like, are you sure this is what you want to do? Do you really want to take this risk and not get into neurology? And I was like, if I'm gonna really study about the brain or the behaviors of individuals, I might as well do it in film where I'm gonna be enjoying myself. People actually come up to me and be like, yo, you're the guy who did that video, or you're the guy that did that film. We don't know, we never get to see you. Like, why don't you like showcase yourself more often? Is he really gonna be interested in the industry after he goes through what we're gonna put him through for the first 9 months? I believe in this so much, like I'm ready to put everything on the line for this. I'm a creative, I'm an artist. I like to express myself, and my format or my medium of expression is film. So yeah, there you have it. My name is MrSalad, and I'm a filmmaker.
Rebel, you about to make them think you're birthed from flames.
Rolling. Rolling.
Oh my god!
You and me!
Delivering content.
I just wet myself.
Come here.
I don't live here.
Okay. Show them the wow.
عقبني wiilkan ayuu dhalay.
الله مرقة إيجالي هاي واسك بحي كالي نو كالي وخويسنينا كالي سو دورا.
Welcome to Mogadishu Cribs.
Yo, what's up? This is how I'm living these days. This is called the mudul, and it is an example of houses that we would use in villages. This is called kaliyumoye.
First I acknowledge recoveries. First I
Do I look good though? Yeah. Somalia. Okay, good. We're recognized. Somaliland.
According to Wikipedia, Somaliland is a self-declared independent state that is internationally recognized.
The only mixed relationship my parents will allow me to have is mixed qabil. Feel me, bro?
God damn, baby. You want to be the moss to my Betty's?
What'd you say?
Nah, baby, I ain't mad. I'm not mad. I swear.
Hello, SomaliKeekNation. This is my first official Keek, and I would like to say hi to all the Somali people in the UK and let you guys know that your accents are prime. But one thing, when you guys are going from talking like this, you're all proper, teen crumpets, to speaking in Somali, it's like going from one extreme to the other. Ease us into it. It's freaking hilarious when you guys don't. Just saying.
ولا عنده هروس مكة عمر.
Alright, mom.
ساس مهوردي سمعتني؟
شيطان كده يعني.
What?
So I met this new guy, girl. Always on Makaya Tarelo Wadamte. Tarelo, truck driver, girl, talk to him. Talk to him. He got money. Talk to him. Truck driver, we like.
Every time I'm in the streets, I make the gun go.
Hey SomaliKeekNation, it's your boy Ahmed, and I just want to talk about this whole Somali bitch saying that they are mixed. And I met this bitch last week at work. She works at my place, and she was like, no, I'm mixed with Chinese, with a little bit of Vietnamese and Norwegian. And I'm like, bitch, how many parents do you even have? Like, you can't be mixed. You're dark as fuck. Like 3 in the morning. Don't lie to yourself. Ben is shaking. And since when was being a Somali something to be ashamed of? Shut the fuck up.
I might let your boy toast to me, but he gotta eat the booty like groceries. But he gotta get rid of these hoes for me.
Willie, come fast, man. Willie, wake up, man. Willie. Willie, we are almost. This is the last one. No!
Say my name, baby.
Kir mataqaana.
Say my name, baby.
Inyo dabadaada u sheeg.
That camera on my face.
So come
Get
on.
that camera on my face.
Do the vlog.
I'm not a vlogger, okay? I quit 3 years ago.
fiican aad baan ugu mahadcelinaa aabihii iyo hooyadii iyo ehelkiisa iyo qaraabadiisaba.
Under my feet is air made of bricks. It pulls me down to
CID Pro TV viewers have selected your favorite Keek stars to feature in our new TV series, SomaliKeekNation.
عليو أباي عمرو والكي عليو بعدي وانا هاي بعدي والله هلا والله هاي بنكرها.
Hi, this is MrSalad and you're watching CID Pro TV, and this is my director's showreel.
Deixem de hipocrisia, o assunto agora é sério. Há muito tempo que eu só vejo wannabes no meio. Querem chegar ao topo, querem ser os primeiros, mas nem saem do monte. A evolução é zero e a falta da modéstia que vos enche esse papo.
Is it recording? We just emotive to get it going. I mean,
This is MrSalad on set, Hamid's new directorial.
Say a line, we're just going to stare into the camera.